Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a filing from National Health Investors, or NHI. It looks like they've added a new member to their board. Let's see if this new person can bring some fresh ideas to the table, or if it's just another face in the crowd. The filing is dated March 27, 2025. It's what's called an 8K, which is a current report companies file to announce big news like this appointment. So the big news is that National Health Investors has a new director. They've increased the size of their board to 8 members and appointed Robert W. Chapin Jr. to fill that spot. He's starting right away and will be up for election at the company's annual meeting next year. It sounds like Mr. Chapin is going to be busy. He's been appointed to a special committee that will be dealing with anything related to leases between NHI and NHC. And they'll also be exploring other possibilities, whatever those may be. Now, who is this Robert Chapin? Well, he's been working in private equity and real estate for quite a while. More recently, he was executive chairman of Channel Marker Advisors. Before that, he founded and led Bridge Seniors Housing Fund Manager, which focuses on investments in senior housing and medical properties. He also helped start CNL Retirement Properties back in the late 90s. Right now, he's on the investment committee for Bridge Investment Group's senior housing funds. He also serves on the boards of several healthcare and senior housing related companies. So it sounds like he knows the industry pretty well. Mr. Chapin's got some board experience, including with Apollo Diversified Real Estate Funds. He's also been involved with other organizations like the National Investment Center for Seniors Housing. He studied business at Appalachian State University and got his MBA from Rollins College. The filing also mentions that there aren't any deals or proposed deals between Mr. Chapin and the company that would need to be disclosed under something called Regulation SK. Basically, they're saying there's no conflict of interest. As for pay, Mr. Chapin will be compensated according to NHI standard arrangements for non-employee directors. You can find the details of those arrangements in the company's proxy statement from last year. That proxy statement was filed with the SEC in April of last year. Now, the company is planning to file a proxy statement for its next annual meeting. This is basically a document that tells you everything you need to know to vote on company matters. They mentioned that the company, its directors, and some executives will be involved in getting people to vote. You can find information about the company's directors and executive officers in their proxy statement from last year, which was filed in April of this year. You can also find more information in their annual report on Form 10K, which was filed in February of this year. They urge investors to read all relevant documents before making any voting decisions, because they contain important information. These documents are available on the SEC's website and on the company's investor relations website. Finally, there's a press release attached to this filing that announces Mr. Chapin's appointment. It's pretty much the same information we've already covered. Now let's take a look at National Health Investors overall. Adding Mr. Chapin to the board could be a smart move. His experience in senior housing and medical properties could bring some valuable insights to the company. The special committee assignment related to NHI and NHC leases suggests there might be some complex negotiations or decisions coming up. Having someone with Chapin's background involved could be beneficial. One potential risk is that NHI is already dealing with those lease agreements. Any issues there could negatively impact NHI's financial performance. Overall, NI seems to be positioning itself for growth in the senior housing and medical property sectors. Bringing in experienced people like Mr. Chapin suggests they're serious about navigating the challenges and opportunities in this industry. So, what do you think? Is this a good move for National Health Investors? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next Corporate Decoder deep dive.